verb or present.
Adit.
Adlan,
Adit.
Ahmad Asta Al-Fatih,
Adit.
Alea,
Present.
Alifah Hanin,
Present, Miss.
Anidia,
Present, Miss.
Audrey,
Present, Miss.
Aurora,
Present, Miss.
Bima,
Adit.
Daphne,
Present, Miss.
Bruno,
Adit.
Meza,
Present, Miss.
Gaza,
Adit.
Zafif,
Adit.
Naya, Nazifa, Wina,
Present, Miss.
Shana,
Present, Miss.
Siti Alifah.
Present, Miss.
Okay, today we are going to talk about main idea. But before that, I will try to remind you about our classroom rules. So this is our classroom rules. But today I just remind you the special segment. Okay, for your tablet, it's for learning only. Okay, and then the second one is be respectful, kind, polite of classmates and teachers. So if your friends present a final discussion, so you have to listen to your friend. Yeah. If you want to ask something or you want to answer the question, you have to raise your hand. Yeah. So be polite and be respectful to your friend or your teacher. Okay. So today we're going to learn bahasa, but we also learn English. So I will read the question and you will try to answer and also translate it into bahasa. Okay, the first question, have you ever read a news headline on your phone, but after clicking it, the content was so long that you got confused about the main point? Who can translate the question? Ada yang tahu artinya? Oke, ini.
Sudahkah kamu membaca berita
Hmm.
yang sedang tren di HP-mu, tetapi setelah mengikut berita itu sangat panjang sehingga kamu tidak fokus apa yang menjadi berita utama pada teks itu.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, the second question. If you only had 5 seconds to tell your friend what the news was about, which part would you read? Okay, Kara?
Jika kamu memiliki 5 detik untuk memberitahu temanmu untuk menjelaskan apa sebuah berita tentang apa, bagian apa yang bakal kamu baca?
Oke, bagian apa yang bakal kamu kasih tahu tentang
Inti.
bagian inti? Oke, kalau dalam teks sih ada teks. Bagian inti itu apa sih teman-teman? Ada yang tahu nggak?
pokok.
Ide pokok. Oke, that's correct. Okay, the last question. Why does a news writer have to provide additional explanation after the first sentence? Why not just one sentence? Ada yang tahu maksudnya apa?
Kenapa penulis berita hanya provide
Additional explanation itu penjelasan tambahan. After the first sentence. Kenapa berita itu ada penjelasannya? Nggak satu sentence aja, nggak satu kalimat aja.
Karena belum menjelaskan intinya kalau hanya satu kalimat.
Oh iya, karena belum menjelaskan intinya. Kalau inti satu kalimat doang kan berarti intinya doang. Karena nggak tahu rinciannya seperti apa. Kalau kejadiannya longsor, oke, satu kalimatnya tentang longsor. Kejadiannya seperti apa, kapan, di mana, bagaimana, itu kan belum terjelaskan. Ya. Oke, next. So our goals today is first, distinguish between the main sentence and the supporting sentences. Jadi kita bisa membedain antara kalimat utama dan kalimat penjelas. The second is analyze the main idea, the main sentence, and supporting sentences within the text. Kita juga bisa menganalisis teks. Kita bisa nunjukin mana main idenya, mana main sentence-nya, dan supporting sentence-nya. The third is, or the last, is to present the analyzed results in a table. Jadi nanti finalnya kalian bakal maju ke depan dan mempresentasikan hasil analisis kalian beserta kelompok kalian. Ya, oke. The topic are, the first is main idea. What is main idea in bahasa?
Ide
pokok ya. Kalau misalnya bilang main idea berarti ide pokok. Oke, the next is main sentence. Main sentence apa? Kalimat utama. Oke. And the last is supporting sentence.
Kalimat pendukung.
Kalimat pendukung atau kalimat penjelas. So before we learn about main sentence, supporting sentence, and main idea, so we have a quick test. This is our quick test. We have two quick tests, the quick test and the post test. So you have to scan then do this test. just read a news, but I feel confused. What is the main point of the news? What is the main idea of the news? So I need your help to discuss with your friend and then find the main idea, the main sentence, and the supporting sentence in the news that I read. Yeah. So this is the news. I have 2 paragraphs. This is the paragraph. We have 2 paragraphs here. So you have to analyze the paragraph. Okay. The first paragraph you have to write here the main sentence and supporting sentence, and then main idea. If you have read the text, the paragraph, then you will discuss with your friend. Before we start, because I haven't prepared icebreaking yet, so if I say morning, you have to give me 1 clap, and if I say noon, 2 claps, and if I say night, you have to give me 3 claps. Yeah. Okay. Morning, morning, noon, night, morning, night, noon. Okay, we have only 15 minutes to discuss and to answer the question. So if you can find main sentence, main ideas, supporting sentences, type of sentence, unrelevant sentence, you will get score. Yeah. So if you find main sentence, you will get 20. If you find main idea, you will get 25. Is there unrelevant sentence? Ada kalimat sembangnya nggak? Ada. Okay, another groups. Do you have question to the other group? Okay, thank you for helping me to find main sentence and the others.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I think there is one difference between the first and the third group. Thank you for helping me. So, we'll discuss. Next, we'll have post text. Okay. Hurry up, scan, and then answer, and then move. Okay, you have 2 minutes ya untuk mengerjakan ini. ready to collect your books and the paper product ya.